खतंग लेबल लोक सभा के whole state तुगे अनि यमदी मिजोरम का नागालैंड लेकर अहम सुबदो कनानो you have to identify the third state anyone आई क्लू हम पीगे मधुकी स्टेट तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट का नकनबा स्टेट हम खंगने ओके कम फॉरवर्ड okay your name class then answer
My name is Lokon, section science, section C.
Okay, what's the answer?
Goa.
Huh?
Goa.
Good attempt. Goa is not the right answer. Goa did not there. Notice can not have any have this state. Okay, come forward.
I opinion the Sikkim.
Sikkim is the right answer. Sikkim Niko. Sikkim, yes, Sikkim is the right answer. Third state. Okay, you can collect the prize from there. Next question. Name a country in the Indian subcontinent that makes use of biometric voter registration. कोई voter registration तो कांदा biometric सिजनबा. कोई Indian subcontinent ले इसी लेबाक से अंदर तो election तो की बनी. They use biometrics. कोई ना आधार डाल कर इसी नए biometrics इसी नए voter registration दा. You have to identify this particular country. It's a neighboring state and is in Indian subcontinent. Name the country. They had election very recently. Masigi lamsi nupi na aya matam da vote kagali. Since 1991, come forward.
My name is Piarsan Suram, 12 hours, section B. My answer is Bangladesh.
Yes, Bangladesh is the right answer. Yes, you can collect prize from there. Bangladesh is the right answer. Next question. Listen carefully. It was designed by Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker. The construction of the building took 6 years, and the opening ceremony was performed on 18 January 1927 by the then Viceroy Irwin. Name this building. Sigi building se kanana sarambano. Masi design Edwin Lutyens and Tobani, Herbert Baker. Construction 6 years changi. I am talking about a building. Building ko ne masi design Torombana, Edwin Lutyens, Herbert Baker ganana Torombani. The construction of building took 6 years, and opening ceremony was performed on 18 January 1927 by the then Viceroy Irwin. Masigi building is Delhi dani. Masida legislation mayama. Okay, come forward.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Guldan from 11 Arts Section A. I chap sawan sir di khangja de do guest to jagi. Building the Red Fort Malaysia. Red Fort.
Red Fort is Shahjahan ceremony. Okay, good attempt. The building is this Parliament, Indian Parliament. Next question. Board ki amga hangam ge last one na. I koi कनो से कोई presidential election से इंडिया के president election से कोई लोकसभा की election से का माना दे मगर proportional representation के system द तोबनी ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯥꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯦ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟꯅꯤ. The ballot box carrying paper ballot of all the electorate ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ 32ꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯏꯀꯣ. ꯃꯐꯝ 32ꯗꯒꯤ ballot box ꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯠ ballot box ꯁꯦ 32ꯗ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯏ. ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯨꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯔ ꯊꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ballot box ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ. ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯅꯤ, ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯄꯨꯔ ꯆꯠꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ. ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ballot box ꯁꯦ Mr. Ballot ꯍꯥꯏ ꯈꯪꯅꯩꯌꯦꯕ. presidential form of election ki magi vote thadanaba ballot box Mr. Ballot hai khangneiba kaigino why ballot box known as Mr. Ballot hai khangnei is kai marungino president election India ge presidential election ge vote tawge ballot box hai Mr. Ballot hai khangneiba why okay question se luren lore answer ha ge masigi ballot Mr. Ballot hai be maramdi masigi Mr. Ballot box hai magi ticket am kaeba कोई दिल्ली द पुदे ने बको मागे तोंगान में टिकट अमा का अगर तोंगान टिकट इंडियन एयरलाइंस द पुरसु अमा द पुरसु मागे टिकट अमा का पुरस तेने दिल्ली द अदुगो थी देने बा अदुगी दमक मागे मिस्टर बैलॉट है खंगने मागे से अदुगा okay current affair da based toge question ama who is the new interim finance minister of union cabinet finance minister central government ge finance minister interim finance minister kanano budget su putok tore Arun Jetli di na dana laikre magi mota kanano ji finance minister ore okay the answer is Piyush Goyal. Okay, amuk si based of guess current affair da. And the current Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of the Republic of India, instituted in 1954. The award is conferred in recognition of exceptional service or performance of the highest order without distinction of race, occupation, position, or sex. The award was originally limited to achievement in the art, literature, science, public services, but the government expanded the criteria to include any field of human endeavor in December 2011, with the maximum of 3 nominees being awarded per year. My question is, who are the winner of 2019? Bharat Ratna gi miyoi ahum do kana kanano? Bharat Ratna handak panggiba, handak laukthokibani. Bharat, okay, with the red shirt, come forward. Bharat Ratna panggiba do. Handak Bharat Ratna panggiba 2019 gi.
My name is Irfan, class 9, row number 2. Answer is Pranab Mukherjee.
Okay, fair enough. I'll give. Ma, hum dimurung da ama khange. Okay, I'll give. Hum ahan bagidu Nanaji Deshmukh, social activist ni. Bhupen Hazarika, music director. And then third one is Pranab Mukherjee. Okay, next question. The state of Manipur, the state of Tripura, Manipur, and another state celebrate their 47th statehood day on 24th January. The state of Manipur, the state of Tripura, Manipur became full-fledged state on 24th January 1972. State ahumni 24th January the state hu phangise. Aine state ani ki maming pire Tripura, Manipur, which is the third state. State om subudo kanano. Tripura, Manipur, another state got statehood on 24th January 1972. You have to name this third state. Anyone? The third state is Meghalaya. Next question from sport. The Australian Open is a tennis tournament held annually over the last fortnight of January in Melbourne, Australia. The tournament is the first of the 4 Grand Slam tennis events held in each year. Who is the current champion? main single ki kano winner si kanano handak ki 2019 ki Australian Open ki. Yes, come forward.
My name is Vikas Toksom, 12 Arts, Section A. The correct answer is Novak Djokovic.
Yes, what answer?
Novak Djokovic.
Okay, Novak Djokovic is the right answer. Yes, congratulations. You can collect prize from there. Okay. First Lok Sabha member for Manipur for outer constituency. Who was the first Lok Sabha member from Manipur for outer constituency? First 1952 da kakiba first MP from outer constituency. First MP from Manipur. Anyone? He was a former Chief Minister of Manipur. Anyone? He is from Ukul district. He is from Phungyer. Yes, come forward.